What does a Jankster stand for? This is a question that has guided our initiatives for years. Each season, we piece together a stronger answer to this question, and with these pieces, we form a mosaic, reflecting our core values. But we must first bring structure to our mosaic, empowering and teaching each girl and non-binary person on our team through projects, initiatives, and training. Bringing this spirit and confidence with us, we extend this to all girls in FIRST, fostering a space where all can learn and lead with confidence. With hands-on workshops, mentoring, and lab tours, each Jankster reflects the pieces of our knowledge onto the greater FIRST community to inspire the next generation of engineers, designers, coders, and so much more to come. Outside of FIRST, we expand our mosaic to include our local community, giving back to those who help us and giving to those who are underrepresented. We remove barriers of opportunity, hosting charity drives and ensuring that every FIRST robotics rebuild competition in California is stocked with menstrual products. We share the pieces of our mosaic to underclassmen and rookies, whether part of our team or not, engaging young minds in STEM and encouraging them to further develop their skills. "21 years ago, we were women creating STEM opportunities for ourselves. Today, we bring STEM opportunities to girls and women, and to the communities that support us, and to the communities that need it most. We create leaders and collaborators. We create a lifelong passion for STEM. We create places where all can learn and grow. We create a mosaic formed with all the pieces that we have made throughout the years, reflecting our core values." So, what does a Jankster stand for? A Jankster creates opportunity, passing the guidance and help we've received forward so that everyone has an equal chance to learn, lead, and give back to their community. Our mosaic is never finished. It is always expanding, getting stronger each year. And with it, so do the values of a Jankster, piece by piece.